You are watching Travel World Online.
TAT's Samui Plus receives 11,000 plus room nights booked up until the 10th of December. Cordelia, the luxury liner with 1,200 travelers, docks at Kochi. Civil aviation will bring new opportunities for economic growth through better air connectivity. Jyotiraditya Scindia. Air India CMD Rajiv Bansal will be the new Civil Aviation Secretary, replacing Pradeep Singh Kharola.
Since the launch of the Samui Plus program to fully vaccinated international travelers with no need to quarantine on the 15th of July, 2021, the number of arrivals to Samui through to the 20th of September totaled 786, resulting in 9,823 room nights and 58.90 million baht in revenue. Most of these arrivals were from European countries, with the top three source markets being France with 136 arrivals, Germany with 119 arrivals, and the UK with 105 arrivals. Other markets included the Netherlands, the USA, Switzerland, Italy, Poland, Hong Kong, and Japan. During the period, Bangkok Airways' 132 sealed route flights between Samui and Bangkok helped facilitate transit/transfer passengers under the Samui Plus program connecting through the Thai capital. The luxury liner MV Empress from Mumbai called at Kochi, marking a promising start to the revival of post-pandemic domestic tourism in Kerala. The newly built cruise terminal in Cochin port today received the first batch of tourists from the Lakshadweep-bound luxury cruise carrying 1,200 travelers had a stopover at the beach city, with 300 travelers deboarding the ship for day-long onshore sightseeing. The Snow White vessel, owned by Cordelia Cruises, became the first luxury cruise to anchor at the state-of-the-art terminal after the devastating COVID-19 pandemic swept across the world. The Cochin port wore a festive look, as Vela Kali performers holding sword and shield swayed with graceful vigor in two rows, showcasing the richness of the medieval cultural form.
Jyotiraditya Scindia, Union Minister of Civil Aviation, virtually interacted with the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Shri Pushkar Dhami, Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Shri Admiral D.K. Joshi, and with Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Shri R.K. Mathur, for strengthening of the aviation infrastructure in their respective state. Nagaland Cadre IAS officer of 1988 batch, Rajiv Bansal, Chairman and Managing Director, Air India, has been appointed the new Civil Aviation Secretary, replacing Pradeep Singh Kharola, who retires on September 30. Kharola held the Air India CMD's post before he was appointed Secretary in the Ministry of Civil Aviation in 2019. Bansal, ex-Director Mokar, is a civil engineering graduate from IIT Delhi. He has a diploma in finance from ICFAI, Hyderabad, and an executive master's in international business from the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, New Delhi.
You are watching Travel World Online.